What is precision fermentation exactly? As food professionals, we all know what fermentation is. It's when microorganisms grow in ingredients and convert them into good-to-eat foods like beer, sauerkraut, and yogurt. But what is precision fermentation, and why are we hearing this term more and more often lately? Beer and yogurt are products of traditional fermentation, foods that have been changed by microorganisms. Humans also perform fermentations for the purpose of eating the organisms themselves. For example, corn is a food made from fungal mycelium, the fibrous vegetative parts of the fungus Fusarium venenatum. The production process for corn and other mycoprotein food ingredients is called biomass fermentation because we eat the biomass that is produced in the fermentation process. With precision fermentation, we don't consume either the food substrate or the organisms themselves. In precision fermentation, the goal is to separate compounds produced by the organisms, leaving the biomass as waste at the end of the process. Precision fermentation is used for making compounds that are too difficult or expensive to attain through traditional methods. The microorganisms used for precision fermentation are genetically modified to produce the desired compounds efficiently. For example, rennet, a material used in cheese making, which used to be obtained from calves' stomachs, is now almost exclusively derived from precision fermentation processes. To be more precise, the fermentation-derived enzyme chymosin is now used in place of calf rennet. While precision fermentation for food enzymes and flavour compounds has been around for decades, we're hearing about precision fermentation more often now because of its role in producing major components of novel foods. One high-profile example of precision fermented food is brewed milk, a technology that's been developed by companies like Perfect Day. Brewed milk is a fancy name for non-animal whey protein isolate, beta-lactoglobulin, produced by a genetically manipulated strain of the fungus Trichoderma ricei. The non-animal whey protein is being successfully used by Perfect Day to make climate-friendly vegan imitation ice cream that's said to have a genuine dairy taste. Fun fact, Trichoderma ricei was discovered in World War II when soldiers in the Pacific Islands noticed mysterious holes in their canvas, clothes, and equipment. The holes were the result of T. ricei eating the cellulose in the canvas. Other precision fermentation ingredients that have been approved for food use or that are in development are soy leg hemoglobin, the blood-like component of plant-based Impossible Burgers, and vegan egg proteins made by every company. In short, precision fermentation is the high-tech production of specific compounds using genetically modified microorganisms. It's been used for decades for food enzymes and flavour compounds. It's recently receiving more attention because of new demand for non-animal derived dairy, meat, and egg proteins. And for links to sources, you can check out this week's email and post.